Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Mpumi and Co with Funds and Gelo, where investing means more. So, guys, today we're doing something. We're gonna be covering NFP with my boy Leo FX. You know what time it is, guys. You know what time it is. So basically, guys, NFP is the non-farm payroll that measures the change in numbers of people employed during the previous month. Excluding farming industry, job creation is the foremost indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of economic activity, guys. So that's basically NFP. So I'm gonna let my boy just give you guys a few information about NFP and why NFP is something that we as traders look at, and why would we wanna trade NFP. What are the benefits and the disadvantages of NFP, guys? So without wasting time, let my boy get into the demonstration, guys.
What do you do? What do you do? It's your boy Leo Flair back with another one again. Out here with Funds and Galore, where investing meets more. Today's NFP, guys, the biggest event ever. The volatility, the time for fake manipulations and market movers to start with a business, start making money off those impatient traders. So we're about to break NFP. As Mpumi already explained what is NFP, non-farm payroll, where we calculate the value of change in the number of employment rate. Calculate all people besides farm workers. Guys, that does not mean they are workers, guys. They are any some. Come on, guys. The NFP, we're looking at straight up numbers. So we're about to get it right now. They're getting some. Hey man, some money is better than no money, bro. Like it's nothing. So let's get deep into it. So I'm not gonna show you the weekly, talk more on about the weekly analysis because it's already Friday. We're just gonna jump into the NFP and the current market price. Right now we have analysis of NFP on gold, actually because gold has USD, which is gonna be affected by the NFP because there's USD in it. It was just gold separate, it will be just gold trading. Now we have both of them, as that USD is behind is a base the code currency. I mean the base currency. So right now we are looking at the 4 hour analysis. I'll dive deeper into the analysis. So now gold has been like on a bullish momentum this whole week. It's been killing the USD this whole week. If you check here, I have written 5.0. When we check Fibonacci retracement, we have the market retracing on the 5.0 this whole time. And then this 5.0 zone that you see right here, it's a very selling zone. Check it right. Let me just show you with my I just want to bring my Fibonacci retracement real quick just to show you guys what I mean by the 5.0 I'm talking about. If you check closely, here is the 5.0 right there, just right here, 5.0. You see? I mean, sorry guys, 0.5, 0.5.
Can you please
These
zoom
are,
in? Can you please just zoom in on the numbers so that the viewers can see
you can see
exactly? Yeah.
exactly number. Yeah, these are the numbers, guys. These are the Fibonacci numbers right over here. I don't know if they're clear.
Yes, we can see them. I can see
Right
them.
here. Yeah. So we have the market playing around the 0.5 level, which is a major key level. If you check, every time the market it reverses, even though the market makers try to pull onto manipulations, creating a fake out retracement. I mean, expect 5.0.5. I love 5.0. I don't know what's going on. Then we have it tracing even on the 0.5. Now it's playing around the 0.5 currently. So we check the current market price. Let me just remove the Fibonacci retracement so you guys can just get the clear vision of what I'm doing now. So on the 4 hour, we have the market bullish momentum in a bullish trend right now, which in our trends, we have the market our highest point right now because gold has been pushing upwards towards the highest point of its potential. So if NFP comes in positive, we'll be having the market pulling down, which we have USD gaining power. That's why you see I have a blue arrow pointing down. You understand? So now we have. I just want to go back onto my 4 hour. I just wanted to show you guys where I am right now. So in my trends, if the NFP declines, we'll have the NFP breaking out of structure, going for the highs, going for the higher highs that are already passed by the. So if it passes above the 0.5, we have it continuing towards the upside. You see, we have it playing around and then going upward. If we have NFP approving, we'll have it uh, reversing onto this. If you check, I have another trends there, which the market was playing in this form. If you check right here, the market was playing around in this way. From my resistance, it went on to support. From my support resistance, from my support resistance, from my resistance to my support, and the market turning. If you check the market turning this 0.5 level uh, resistance. It tried turning it into a support, but it keeps on turning it into a resistance, which we have it in a high key level of a resistance. Wala ma attention. Wala ma attention. Sorry for that. And then we have the market playing around the 0.5 right now. Because now it's 2 o'clock if you check. That's why we have market makers giving bullish momentum. But now, because we are currently waiting for 2:30 for the press release so that we can see where the NFP rates are sitting at on the investing.com. So we use the investing.com actually to track the fundamentals of the NFP. So if you want to check the numbers of the NFP where they are, you go check the investing.com app and you go straight to your more button below and then you go check your calendar. Your calendar will tell you where it is right now, currently. Well, it's on the 0.5 right now, currently. And we are looking for bearish momentum so far because we are seeing this as a high resistance level. As you can see, we are seeing it as a high sell zone. This key level, the 0.5, right here. So as you can see, the market was coming towards that 0.5 this whole week, trying to reverse. So it's either it forms a reversal or it forms a breakout, either of the two. So if FP is gonna say that okay, now we have more jobs coming in, we're gonna have the gold, USD falling, and then we're gonna have the USD pairs going upwards. But now we are mostly focused on gold. As you can see that only 1 hour we had the gold going upwards also, and now it's forming a reversal type of movement. But now we are waiting for another 2 minutes to confirm if it will close on this key level. If it closes below, and the investing.com has updated that we have more jobs in, and you see that there's a there's an arrow there when you enter, and then it's showing towards the bullish momentum. Then that's when you'll have gold falling, and then you'll have USD pairs going up. So I just want to jot down that, show you that when the market to an higher high, it's come down towards the lower low that they passed by. So if you see the market came was lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it's gonna create lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower lows. Now it's at a lower high. So now we are looking for NFP to increase the jobs. Increase the jobs, we'll have it create lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. If the NFP declines, we are having it peaking above zero point 0.5, and then we just wait for retracements towards the zero point 0.5 to just retrace on top of the zero point 0.5, and we wait for clear market breakouts, and we wait for clear retracement, and we wait for a clear continuation of the bullish trend if it does happen. So right now we are just waiting for the 30 minutes to see what the press release says about the NFP, and then that's when you'll take a step into the market. So I'll pass it to my boy Mbumi just to jot down some few things if you'd like to about NFP, what he knows.
So as you can see, guys, Leo has covered a whole bunch of information that's regarding the NFP, how you can go about trading it. What can we learn from Leo's demonstration, guys? We can learn that even with news events, it's always important to be calculative. It's always be important to be one step of the market. Like he states, if the market sells, capitalize on those sales based on news data, the data that is will be presented by the news. So he's going to use that information along with his technical analysis to catch those sales if they do go down. If they go up, like he stated, he's ready to catch it. Even though when it goes up, he's ready, and it's always important to be ready, guys. You always have to be one step ahead of the market. I am not gonna demonstrate anything because I do not trade NFP. The only reason is because I am 100% pure technical trader. I don't use news. As you can see, like listen to Leo. What did you learn from him? He's using news data, and he knows how to. The way he speaks about it, you can tell that he's been doing this for quite some time. He's reading the data and all of those things. I don't trade using news. I trade 100% pure technical. Therefore, I won't be trading NFP. But NFP is a great thing to trade, guys. You can really make a lot of money if you wanna trade NFP because you can capitalize on those volatilities. You can really capitalize on those volatilities. If I was to trade NFP, it wouldn't be high prop. I wouldn't. It wouldn't be high probability for me because I don't use news data. I only use pure technical, like I stated, guys.
And I'd like to show you one thing about us. You see that me and Pumi are like complete different traders, but we are in the same boat, if you understand. It's all about being you. What are you able to do with your time management? All about
Exactly.
being you. What time do you have? So I am a sentimental trader if you want to get to know what I do. That's like actually fundamental. I mean technical and fundamental. Also a technical trader, but I look at the fundamentals so that I can capture movements like NFP. Just like Mbumi said, you can trade it, you cannot trade it, it's your choice. It's about being who you want to be. He does not trade it, it's him deciding he does not want to trade it because of the trader he is, the person he is, you understand? And me trading it because of the person I am, or who I am, or what I'm trying to do, or what I'm trying uh, to actually prove to you that you can actually become a technical and a fundamental trader, which is sentimental
Sentimental
trading.
trader.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So yes, guys, 100%, 100%. Two different traders, but you apply the same strategies. Everything is the same. Just like I always say, guys, forex is you versus you. You need to put in the work. You need to do your research. You need to practice, 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 guys. I hope you're able to learn something. I don't know if Leo has another demonstration that he can show us, guys. I'm literally also learning something new. The Fibonacci, something new. Like, this was really a very nice lesson because I'm literally learning something new today. And also I'm learning about the what fundamentals. That's the way that's something I also want to look into, guys. So maybe in the future I will trade news events, but for now I don't, so that's why I'm not gonna be participating, and that's why I'm having my boy join us, and we're doing this today, and we're gonna have another demonstration, guys, before NFP hits. Then it's about that time, guys. It's literally about that time.
So right now we have USD JPY, a currency, just to show you what I'm talking about. That if the NFP is positive, we'll have USD pairs pushing to a bullish momentum, pushing towards the upside. If it declines, we have them falling, having a bearish momentum and coming to decline. Okay, let's put into it our current market price right now. So you see, right now we were experiencing some sort of bullish momentum this whole week, and then we had the SDPF falling. This, I think, this is the on Monday, then started falling from Wednesday. It fell on Thursday, and now we on Friday. It started falling. Now, if you can see, I already have my trends in trends allocated already. I just want to let it be clear. Let me just delete these daily ones. Or let me just try to shift them far a bit from the markets here. So it's like that. Let me take it on 4 hour. So we had SDJPY falling the whole time, which that means that JPY was gaining power over the. And now, as we can see in my trends and trends, we have experiencing what the lower highs. When the market is on a bullish trend, we'll be seeing higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. When the market is in a bearish momentum, we'll be seeing lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, which is simply this. What we see right now, we're experiencing lower low and lower high. Sorry for that, lower. I think it's my issues on my network. It's messy. It's messy. This network is not making me favor. What's going on now? Okay, now if you can see that we're experiencing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So now if the FP is positive, we're gonna have it break out, breaking out the trend, which means changing the trend of structure, because we have USD JPY falling, and now we're gonna experiencing it gaining more momentum over the JPY, because JPY has been gaining a lot of momentum this whole week against the USD. So now we'll have, maybe we might have USD gaining back its revenge with the NFP that's about to hit us, guys. So maybe that's when we'll get the NFP giving us that bullish momentum, and then counter breaking the trend, right? And then we might having it feeling like this. That's it's positive. If it's negative, we'll have it reversing and then break out, continuing this trend. We'll have it playing maybe around this level and then decline, falling right. Let me just remove this, because I'm really positive about the the US economy is really strong when it comes to jobs, because last time they added around 500 and something jobs. So it might be a positive buy, it might be a negative sell, but depending on the news, then we'll get to know what's happening in the US economy. So right now, you see, we have it trying to change structure, because now we are experiencing. Let me take it to 30 minutes. So you can see here. We are now having it playing around, making higher highs. Let me try to type it actually. Making higher highs and then making higher lows. Another higher high right there, and then making another higher low. And then we have it, having it create another higher high right here. So if it reverses, sorry, if the NFP approves, if it's positive, then we'll have it continuing creating another higher high. So we might be having it create another a bit of a higher low, and then going upwards. If it's negative, then it's gonna decline right here and then go down, head down, continuing
So
the
the
momentum that we
question
have right there.
the question that most
Yeah.
people would like to ask is in terms of when do we exactly enter, because do we enter directly after the news event, or do we enter a few minutes after the news event, or how would you go about entering? Let's say the news gives a positive,
Uh,
then like maybe
okay.
it's going the opposite direction or something. How do you go about entering when the market is maybe extremely volatile at the drop of the news events, if I'm making sense?
Yeah, it's completely volatile. So the advice is 30 minutes after the event. 30 minutes after the event, guys. There's roughly around, if you're entering at 30 minutes, there's roughly around 3 o'clock. If you're scalping it, it's 3 o'clock, guys. 30 minutes after the event, because we wait for the market data and then we wait to get confirmation of, because we depend on candlesticks, right? So we depend on candlesticks that will say about the time of NFP. So it's either it's bullish engulfing candlesticks or bearish engulfing candlesticks. But 30 minutes after the event, 30 minutes after the event press and everything, and after the market manipulations, most important, we give them space to tackle those ones who are impatient. Thank you, guys.
So you hear that, guys. So that is basically how we going to chop up NFP this week, guys. I just wanna wish you guys all the best. I wanna thank Leo for coming through this 10 minutes. This video will just be uploaded just before NFP, hopefully. But guys, I hope you were able to learn something, or for also for your next NFP, guys. Uh, you must, like, you should learn something from here. Back test everything that you've learned from here and chop it up. Like you say, wait 30 minutes before, because what normally happens is that prices can literally just shoot up and spike down immediately after
Yeah,
release. So that's why he
that's true.
stated, that's why I think he stated that you should wait 30 minutes. So you should allow the market to finish all that
That's true.
manipulation to come down. Then once it picks a direction, it normally goes that direction with incredible force. And this is where you capitalize, guys. So that will be it, guys, for today's episode. I want to thank you, Leo. Any closing words before we end off?
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you guys for the space. Thank you guys for the time. It's a really great honor to be with you guys, explaining such a wonderful craft we love. And enjoy, guys. Enjoy life. You know, trade really wisely. Don't force the trade. Trade the setup. Trade what's going on in the markets. Don't force anything. And always stay patient and stay safe. I love everyone. I love you all. We thank everyone for watching our stream. Until next time.
Yes, guys, and
Thank
don't
you,
forget
Fans
to
and
hit
Galore.
that.
We're investing in small.
Oh yeah, we're investing needs more, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, that like button, uh, subscribe,
Just
guys.
like
Subscribe. Let's get this
get us
channel
up,
to
run it up, run
100.
it up, run it up, run it up.
Run
Subscribe,
it up,
guys.
bro, to
Let's run
100
it up, guys. Let's run
subscribers.
it up to 100 subs. 100 subs. 100 subs, Baba. We did it.